Welcome fellow traders. Today I am testing FxMachine Expert Advisor. Currency pair is GBP USD and time duration is 1 year. Period is M5 and spread is 5. Now open expert properties. Initial deposit is 500 and I am using default settings. Now click OK and press the start button. Now open the graph tab to watch the performance of this expert advisor. I have also started forward testing in my VPS, and I have started this testing in the previous month, and I think it is about 25 days, and this expert advisor has made $16 profit. Now back to the testing. This expert advisors has open hedge trades to manage the trades. It seems that performance of this expert advisor is good. Now open the report tab. Drawdown is 12.41% and total net profit is 495.32 with a initial deposit 500. I think performance of this expert advisor is good, and therefore I have placed this expert advisor for forward testing, and until now for a period of 25 days it has made a profit $16, and I am continue testing this expert advisors for the next 6 months, and I will share the performance of this expert advisor from time to time. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Happy trading.